guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly, and so I got a Temu order that I wanted to show you guys. So yeah, let's get started, shall we? Okay, the first thing that I got is this phone case. It's from my Galaxy S24. It's really cute. I love it. That's the first thing. The second thing is this pop socket. It's really glitterish, and I got it in pink because I want to put it in my phone case. And I show you guys that I got a clear one as well. So this is the other one that I got. It's really blinked out. It's really nice. It's really cute. Is this dip powder set, clear pink. So this is what it looks like. The instructions are on the box. And these are the colors right here. It has the base powder, the powder activator, and the powder gel top. And these are the colors. So really cute. I gotta learn how to do them because I have no idea, but I'm for sure gonna make a video of me trying these out. And the last, this comes with the gel, the dip powder. It's a brush. This is so cute. A little sponge, well, not a sponge, like a nail filer, and another one, and a cuticle stick. And that is what the package has. So let me open the other one. Okay, the last thing is I got another one. It's a dip powder. It says a pink donut. So let me open it. And this is the other one. These are more pinkish, and it comes with the same thing. Comes with the brush, and then this cute nail filer and a cuticle, and this one. So this is what I got here. My 4 things, and I'm going to be making a video to trying these dip nails because I've never tried one before. So yeah, I was so excited. So I really hope you guys enjoy this Temu. It's 4 stuff that I got. I didn't get a lot. But yeah, but I just wanted to show you guys. And I'm going to be for sure testing out these nail powders in a video because I don't know how to put them. So I'm going to be making a video soon with those dip nails. And yeah, so I just wanted to show you my order. And I really hope you guys have a fantastic day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to follow me on social media. I'll put it down below. And have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.